Spoon dreams. Spoon dreams of a beautiful nightmare. Either way, don't wanna wake up from you. Spoon dream. Beyonce is gonna sue that out of me. Alright. Spoon dreams. Spoon dreams. Spoon dreams. Spoon dreams. Hey dreamers, welcome to my channel Spoon Dreams. I am Jennifer. I will be your chef always. For as long as you're watching this channel, I will be your chef, period. But anyways, I will be your chef, Jennifer, and on today's episode we will be learning how to make sofrito. What is sofrito? Sofrito, or green seasoning, or epis, whatever you call it, wherever you're from, is a vegetable base that can go well to marinate chicken, crabs, seafood, meat, steak, whatever you need to marinate. It's great for it, as well as, you know, just a vegetable base to make different types of rices, soups, you know, just whatever you need in the kitchen to be done. This vegetable base is perfect. It also cuts time in having to chop vegetables, the same vegetables, to make, you know, your different dishes. Instead of chopping it up and wasting and crying all over yourself cutting onions, you can use this vegetable base every time you cook. So it is very important that you do make this if you are going to follow my recipes, because I use this very often. You will hear me say, take out your sofrito, just like the teachers be like, take out your pencil. I'll be like, take out your sofrito, because you are going to need it. Period. There's going to be some things that you will not be able to make, like curry crab. Sis, if you don't have this sofrito, you ain't going to make it. So
it's us against the world. Yeah, us against the world. Us against the world. I'm into that. All of my niggas, they into that. Chop up the dick like a lumberjack. All of these bitches, they feeling that. I am so feeling like I'm octane. I got to wear like a dish thing. I am so sick of this thing. All of my niggas, they flip that. All of my niggas, they sip that. I get the diamonds, they kill that. Head from the back, make a lift that. Yeah, rolling like a zombie. Feeling so insane, yeah. I say, what's, I say, feeling so insane, yeah. I say, what's, I say, what's been up with you, yeah. I say, what's been up with you. Wanna know if this is true. All the diamonds, yeah, they shine on you. All this time that I spent on you, yeah, yeah. You got me feeling so insane. All of the time that I wait, yeah. All of that time that I spent, yeah. All of the time that we spent, yeah. What's up with you? Like, what's up with you? I wanna know if it's true. Like, what's up with you? Yeah, I don't know what's wrong no more. I had that bitch, she want more, yeah. All on my ground, what's in store, yeah. I do not have no remorse, yeah. At the time of my life, I was with you, yeah. I just loved every time I was with you, yeah. Had to take all my time out with you, yeah. I was all in my prime, I was with you, yeah. On the run, had to spin it, had to spin it. Got to get it, had to get it. How you living, how you living? Where's it been up with you? Wanna know if this is